Most businesses don't fail because they don't make money. They fail because they don't understand their numbers, especially taxes. Tracking taxes manually is stressful, time-consuming, and one small mistake can cost you penalties or even your business reputation. That is why we built the exclusive business tax feature, your intelligent tax assistant built directly into your business operations. Every time you record a transaction, whether income or expense, XCLUSIV automatically calculates your tax in real time. You get a clear breakdown of your revenue, expenses, and tax obligation, so you always know exactly where your business stands. XCLUSIV doesn't just track your taxes, it predicts them so you can plan ahead, avoid surprises, and stay in control. Stay compliant, reduce risks, and build a business that investors, partners, and regulators can trust. In this video, I'll be showing you how to use the exclusive business tax feature. Step 1. Simply record your transactions. Sales, expenses, online or offline, everything goes into one system. As you record each transaction, XCLUSIV automatically calculates the tax and no manual work is needed. Next, go to your tax dashboard where you can see your total tax breakdowns and insight. You can use the insights to plan better, optimize your finances, and grow your business strategically. This is not just a tax tool. This is how modern, high-performing businesses operate. Start using XCLUSIV Business today and take full control of your finances, your taxes, and your growth. XCLUSIV, powering smarter businesses.